$150,000.
Wow.
So just 4 years later, in 1984, we were starting to computerize our inventory and other records there, and our sales had exceeded $4 million. And we are continuing that. Fast forward to many, many years later, we're in the $80 to $90 million revenue stream now at this point. So we ship internationally. You'll see some of those things as we go throughout the building. We have more than 11 million pieces of inventory in this building, which you will see many of those along the way. We have around 375 employees, and it's just a wonderful company.
Is this the only facility?
This is our only facility here. It's in McLeansville, just east of Greensboro, North Carolina. And we've been here in this location ever since 1989. This
Wow.
showroom was built in 94, opened a year later through our grand opening, and we have been here ever since.
That's a great